Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, June 20, 2022 on our channel. Clivet presents the last news for the hydronic terminals range. Your annual conference, call for abstracts. Eliwell will organize a series of live workshops at MCE 2022. Hitachi's new residential air conditioner wins Red Dot Award. So, first news today. Clivet presents the last news for the hydronic terminals range. Clivet presents the last news for the hydronic terminals range. Nebula renews the ductable range for medium and high head sealing application, substituting Elfoduct MP and Elfoduct HP series. A wide range of configurations, accessories, and a renewed unit management choices are available. Eventually, thanks to a new segmentation of medium head units, and to the wider capacity range of high head units, the optimal satisfaction of market requirements. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Your annual conference, call for abstracts. The 2022 Year Annual Conference, which will be held in Birmingham on December 1, 2022, will be focusing on the UK's net zero ambitions and what the RHP industry is putting in place to meet these targets. We are now launching a call for abstracts outlining practical low-carbon solutions that are achieving results. The themes of the conference are as follows. Rethinking design, how we are designing differently to achieve low-carbon or net zero aims. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Eliwell will organize a series of live workshops at MCE 2022. During MCE Mostra Convegno Expo Comfort 2022, the company will organize Eliwell Talks, a series of live workshops held at our booth and accessible via video streaming. Digitalization, sustainability, and energy efficiency are the three key factors that have guided the most recent development of Eliwell solutions for the HVAC/our business. Eliwell's strategy today is increasingly oriented towards creating future-ready products that are ready for connectivity. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Hitachi's new residential air conditioner wins Red Dot Award. Johnson Controls Hitachi Air Conditioning wins the Red Dot Award, Product Design 2022. The Red Dot Design Award is a German international design award for product, brand, and communication designs and concepts. Among the winning products, Air Home 400 is designed to meet the air conditioning aesthetic and utility needs of a wide range of consumers and multiple markets. The Red Dot Design Award is a prestigious design industry award that continues to recognize the best brands and creative works of the years and set awarded winners apart from their competitors, and the Air Home 400 wins the Product Design Award, signifying Johnson Controls Hitachi air conditioning's top industry quality and eye for aesthetic. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.